Calculate interest on drawings on the product method. Total amount withdrawn, that is 3,84,000 into rate 10 by 100 into 1 by 12. Please remember students, if you multiply it by the number of months, so here it will be 1 by 12. If you multiply it by the number of days, here it will be 1 by 365. If you multiply it by weeks, then here it will be 1 by 52. So this will be 3,84,000 into 10% divided by 12. It is 3,200 interest. Now the next is regular and fixed. Regular and fixed means a fixed amount is withdrawn under the fixed interval. That's why it is called the fixed method or the regular. Please try to understand like this. A has withdrawn 200 rupees first day of every month. Every month means take it be considered as a calendar year. 1st January, 1st February, 1st March, 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, 1st August, 1st September, 1st October, 1st November. Another you may find out that rupees 200 with the last day of every month, or the 200 rupees 200 withdrawn middle of month, every month. Rupees 200 or 2000 withdrawn first day of every quarter. Rupees 2000 withdrawn in the last day of every quarter. Rupees 2000 middle of every quarter. Please student try to understand that for whatever the withdrawn procedures are there, for first day of every month, last day of every month, middle of the every month, first day of every quarter, last day of every quarter, middle of every quarter, like that, first day of every half yearly, middle of the every half yearly, and the last day of half yearly, all have a different rules and different methods are there. Now, not only for every process has a different method, but one more thing is that A has withdrawn rupees 200 every month for the whole year, but A has withdrawn rupees 200 from the 1st of March every month. It has the different rules will be applicable. To avoid this complication, I have simplified the one rules where all questions can be solved. What is the formula that? Please try to understand. Total amount withdrawn. Total amount withdrawn during the year into rate into total number of month transaction took place into plus minus interval of month divided by 2 into 12. Let's discuss questions with this. Can we solve this method? A. Rupees 5,000 withdrawn beginning of every month. 5,000 means 5,000 into 12. What is the rate? Rate is 10%. How many months transactions took place? From 1st January to 31st December. So into 12 plus will be used for beginning of every month, minus will be used for end of month, and there will be no minus or plus for the middle of the month. Plus interval of month is how much? 1. 1st January, 1st February, 1st March, 1st April. So interval of month will be 1 divided by 2 into 12. Your answer will be 5,000 into 12 into 10% into 13 divided by 24. Your answer will be 3250. Let the same example for the end of every month. Here will be what? Here will be plus instead of, it will be what happened? Minus. Now the answer will be 60,000 into 10% into 11 divided by 24 equal to, it will be 2750. If the 5,000 withdrawn in the middle of the every month, there will be no plus or minus, only the 12. Then it will be, the answer will be 60,000 into 10% into 12 divided by 24 equal to how much? It is 3,000.